Want to catch all the UFC action on ESPN.com but stuck behind a geo-block? Here's how you can buy a proxy from your privateproxy.com and tune into the live fights, no matter where you are. First, head over to yourprivateproxy.com and register. It's quick and free. Start by signing up before you do anything else. Once your account is set up, log in and return to the yourprivateproxy.com homepage. Click on Buy UFC Proxy and follow the steps to complete your purchase and secure your proxy. After purchasing your proxy, head back to the yourprivateproxy.com homepage and click on more details about the YPP Swift Proxy Changer Chrome extension. You'll need to use the Chrome browser for this installation, although the proxy itself can be used in any browser without the extension. I'm highlighting Chrome here to demonstrate the Swift Proxy Changer extension. On the extension details page, click the Install Extension in Chrome button, and then Add to Chrome once you're redirected to the Chrome extension page. Next, pin the extension to your Chrome extension bar, click on it, then navigate to the YPP Members tab. Log in there, and once logged in, you'll see your proxy listed under the Proxies List tab. Initially, let's not activate the proxy and go directly to plus.espn.com/UFC. As expected, we encounter a geo-block because I'm outside the US. Now, let's turn on the proxy and refresh the page. Notice that the geo-block error disappears, allowing you to log in and select the UFC package you prefer. For this, you'll need a Disney.com account. If you don't have one, visit Disney.com, enter your email, and follow the prompts to sign up. After creating your account, return to plus.espn.com/UFC to buy a membership. I recommend the $15 option, which includes ESPN Plus, Hulu and Disney Plus, but if you prefer, the ESPN Plus subscription alone is available for $11. Once subscribed, you can purchase and stream any UFC fight live. That's all you need to enjoy live UFC events. Subscribe for more tips on how to bypass geo-blocks and how to use proxies in general.
Over the top, looking to finish it here. Conor McGregor, another first round